friends. Today in this session, I am going to introduce you Manoj Jarange Patil. Right now, he has become main face of agitation of Maratha reservation movement. Manoj Jarange has reached to highest position of Maratha society due to his great sacrifice and his honesty. He has sold his own land and mortgaged his house for Maratha reservation agitation. Let us see family background of Manoj Jarange Patil. He was born on 1st August 1982 and he has completed his higher secondary education in Government High School at Matori, District Bed. Father's name of Manoj Jarange Patil is Rao Sahib Jarange and mother's name is Prabhavati. His wife is Soumitra and he has 4 daughters. His daughters' names are Vaishnavi, Pranali, Pallavi and his son's name is Shivraj. Manoj Jarange Patil has tried to grab the attention of government to the burning issue of Maratha reservation by observing several hunger strikes. Manoj Jarange Patil was on a hunger strike at Antaravali in Jalna district in Maharashtra state in India when police administration suddenly attacked agitating people with baton. Many protesters were injured in police lathi charge. Manoj Jarange Patil became a main leader after agitation at Antaravali in Jalna district. All of us condemned the inhuman lathi charge of police on Maratha agitating people in Jalna district. Manoj Jarange Patil, after Antaravali agitation, Manoj Jarange Patil toured all over Maharashtra and felt a nice confidence among Maratha students and has been drawing them out of a frustration mentality. Manoj Jarange Patil gave enough time for government to work on Maratha reservation, but government failed to fulfill the demand of Manoj Jarange Patil at given ultimatum. He has been trying to tell to government that Maratha caste has received OBC status in Telangana and Karnataka states. Then why is Maharashtra government not giving rights of reservation to Maratha people in Maharashtra? Manoj Jarange Patil and Maratha community gave enough time to government to work on Maratha reservation issue, but government failed to fulfill the demand of Maratha community. Then all the community and Manoj Jarange Patil reached to the decision of observing their last hunger strike in Mumbai. Manoj Jarange Patil has to come with millions of Maratha people in business capital of India. Today he is so popular that we cannot forget him so easily. At this time, Manoj Jarange Patil has emerged as one of the powerful leaders in Maharashtra state. Politicians have succeeded to end the leadership of the social organization by dragging them into politics. The issue of reservation has become a matter of life and death for Maratha students. Maratha community is fighting an extreme important battle of Maratha reservation under the leadership of Manoj Jarange Patil. I hope that Manoj Jarange Patil will not diminish his importance by joining politics. Manoj Jarange Patil is fighting with peaceful ways within constitutional limits. I wish that God may give a nice conscience to government and Maratha community receive its rights of reservation as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this program. I hope you might have really liked this program. See you soon in next video. Bye bye. Do share, like to programs of Be Cognizant YouTube channel and subscribe to Be Cognizant YouTube channel. See you soon in next video. Bye bye friends.